guys. Well, welcome back. It's 2019. I have not made a video in a really long time. Life just got busy. Then it was Thanksgiving. Then it was Christmas. Then it's now the new year. But I want to make sure to get back into this and have regular videos out again. So we are starting with something very fun, and I actually just posted a quick haul on my Instagram, which is at Cassie Wickland. So if you want to find me there, I do post a ton of beauty stuff on there. But I received in the mail something I ordered, which is very exciting. And if anybody is a really big beauty fan, they will see this packaging and know what it is. It is Glossier. Glossier is a brand that I believe began in New York City, and their CEO is Emily Wise. She's the founder of Glossier. She's like super hip, super young, and she wanted a brand that was chic but to the point and minimal products for girls that like are not doing 12 steps, but they just want their skin to look good. But I ordered 3 products, and these are 3 products I've seen on social media and all over YouTube that I really wanted to try, and we're going to try them out here today. So we have Boy Brow, which is like famous at this point. We're going to take out the packaging now, but it's a tiny little spoolie for brows, and we'll zoom in when we do them. But it's supposed to give your brows just a lot of fluffiness and natural texture so that they don't look filled in, but they just look like polished and effortless. I know those are words that we use a lot in the beauty community, but I truly think that's what this product is meant to do. So you can kind of like comb forward and backwards in your brow with this brow gel, and it's supposed to really make your brows look awesome. Then I got something I'm really excited to try, because I don't really have a concealer I'm loving at the moment. And this is the Glossier Stretch Concealer. I got mine in the color Light. And so we're going to try this. It's supposed to be a more dewy formula that you can just tap under your eyes and you're done, and you're just going to look a little bit more awake. Don't need to use much. And then the last thing I got, which I already tried. Okay, I have a little bit on right now. Couldn't help myself. Is the Holoscope Dew Effect Highlighter in Moonstone. So it comes like this. It's a cream highlighter, and it has no sparkle in it, which is what is amazing. I have a lot of makeup. I love makeup. But recently, and I'm going to make a separate video about this, I have been taking care of my skin in such a different way that has made a dramatic difference in the texture of my skin and the amount of breakouts that I experienced. And so I have been loving wearing minimal makeup, like literally, and I have a couple other products I'll be sharing in that video, but I've been wearing like an illuminating balm and some brows and some mascara, and I'm done. And I feel so much prettier at this point in my life and with my skin than if I wear a ton of products. So that's a side note, but I felt like that Holoscope and the Stretch Concealer and the Boy Brow would really play well into that whole feeling of like just being myself here in 2019 and not having to wear so much makeup. So I'm really excited about that. But let's get to trying on the products and see how we like them. So we're zoomed in, and let us begin. We're first going to start, I mean, I do have a little bit of product on right now. I have a tinted moisturizer, and I have a tiny bit of brows and mascara. So we're going to roll with that and just keep it all on. But I want to try the Boy Brow first. So first of all, here we have the spoolie. Okay, it's super tiny, and I think this is really going to work well. So I got the color brown. Obviously I have dark hair now. Okay, it says comb forwards and backwards. That's how you're going to get the volume. And I want to do one. Ooh, wow. Okay. That looks really good. Let's go ahead and do the other side. For a second there, I felt like the color was just getting on my skin and not really on my brow hairs. But it actually didn't. It went right onto my brow hairs and really buffed them up without making the skin underneath look too dark, and it's really grippy. Gets onto the brow hairs and you can kind of tease them a little bit. I'm happy with that. I think that looks really nice. It looks really natural. And now let's go ahead and try the stretch concealer. We're going to tap it right under the eye. Oh yes. I'm very dry, so anytime I get a product like this, oh yes. And I can just tap a little bit. I mean, look at the difference between my eyes. Just tapping that in any areas I typically get a little redness. I'm just seeing how good it covers. I really like that. And that looks, I mean, that looks like skin. Like, that does not look like concealer. That looks like hyaluronic acid hydration under there. That just plumps everything up. I love that. I am all about the stretch concealer. I have a little bit of the Holoscope in Moonstone already on, but I want to put a little bit more on. And to do that, I did notice the first time I used it, like with any stick, if you drag it across your face, you may get a little bit of foundation or concealer on the stick. So I'm just going to try and take a little bit on my finger. This is not like Becca highlighter or any of those liquids or creams, like the Benefit, what is that one called? What's Up? Where they have little particles of glimmery type things in it. This is literally like almost a, I don't want to say Vaseline because Vaseline would look way worse than this. It won't last nearly as long. But kind of like that sort of a texture where it just gives your skin almost a balm-like finish. And that is really pretty. I give these a thumbs up. These are effortless looking products that you could, you know, use very easily and minimally and not feel pressured into doing a full face of makeup. I can totally see how this plays into the aesthetic of less is more. I mean, everything on their packaging is super minimal, and I love that. I mean, you need minimal makeup when this is your aesthetic. When you're just like a city girl that is effortless. I mean, this Holoscope, just put this across your eyelids too. Oh yeah. This is like the look, I feel like, of this year. It's going to be minimal. It's not going to be a bunch of contouring and heavy products. The brows are super natural, super nice, but not huge. And I like that. And the stretch concealer looks like skin. So I give all of this a thumbs up. Like I said, more videos coming on skincare, more videos coming on things I've used up and reviews on those things, and kind of my everyday natural look that I've been going for lately. So stay tuned for all of that. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you can hit the bell. All of it is free, so just, you know, tune in. And we will review products and skincare together. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.